Myself, Nilima Joshi. I am retired executive engineer from old MSCB. I was suffering from severe backache and unbearable knee pain somewhere in 2014, and I was housebound due to my trial for Paschimottanasana in my yoga class. However, Sujok treatment by Sri Kinkar made me stand straight again in only 8 sittings of Sujok. So I did 2 training courses of international Sujok classes. Recently, I did my lipid profile test and liver function test as per doctor's advice and observed bad cholesterol and abnormal results of liver function test SGOT and SGPT. Due to this, I was suffering from excessive urination, insomnia, and about 10 times I have to go for urination at night only. Hence, unable to sleep even for 4 years. With Sujok treatment of 10 sittings by Sri Kinkar, my liver function test results were brought within the limits with improved bad cholesterol results. Now, since last week, I am enjoying 6 to 8 hours sleep daily and feel fresh inside out. Can now do my regular Paschimottanasana easily, play table tennis and getting close to my weight reduction target. You can, I am showing this comparison of results after treatment and before treatment. You can check up also, and it was done in the same pathology laboratory, so that comparison is very correct, or whatever errors they were there, they are persisting. Lastly, or from bottom of my heart, I want to thank Sujok treatment and Sri Kinkar, who has successfully completed about 30 numbers of Sujok treatment courses even in foreign countries, and he is rendering social services in Pune. In view of my engineer's analytical mind, I want to state that 14 numbers of nervous system veins, they are called meridians, are circulating from top to bottom in the human body, and they are treated in Sujok treatment. With elevation of cosmic energy level in one affected meridian, all associated organs get connected. This is the tons of benefit to us due to Sujok treatment. Everybody feels good from within because of this treatment. Plus, it's a damn cheap therapy, damn cheap treatment without any side effect, and gets corrected in testing charges, or rather gets covered in the testing charges of allopathic treatment. Oh, I forgot to say that I didn't have the backache recurrences till date.